Well, I'm going to take a slightly different tact. I heard a few things there that I think the liberal leader needs to read some of her own policy on this. But, I wanted to go after another thing, because what I'm finding increasingly as I go around the province is that people are paying out of pocket for healthcare, for actually things that we, as Canadians believe should be absolutely free. You should be able to access healthcare when and where you need it, not out of pocket. And I was really shocked to see that the Liberal leader, that her party has received $25,000 in donations from private healthcare insiders.
Do you have a question?
And I'd like to know how she can stand here and say she's going to save healthcare, which, by the way, was created. Hallway Healthcare was created under the previous Liberal government, when she's receiving those kinds of donations from private healthcare providers.
Okay, we'll get.
Yeah, I think the NDP leader is envious of my fundraising record to date. I will say that the NDP thinks that money grows on trees. You just can't promise everything to everyone all the time. Okay. That's just not a serious plan. It's not a serious plan. When I was the mayor of Mississauga, I had to balance my budget. I never ran a deficit. I did that for the past 10 years. I balanced my books for 10 years, just like people have to do at home. They have to balance their budgets at home. They know that they have to save in bad times. That's the difference between me and you.
I think I need to ask this question a little bit more clearly, maybe. You said that you are going to fix the healthcare crisis, that a previous Liberal government, I will argue, started the whole Hallway healthcare crisis, right? You don't take responsibility for that, but you also will not take responsibility for the fact that you have collected $25,000 from private healthcare insiders at a time when we are seeing people literally having to pay out of pocket under Doug Ford's government for healthcare. Ontarians are very clear. They do not want to head in that direction.
Certainly, we follow the rules to the T. Absolutely. And I have a plan that will invest $3 billion, not the 1.8 that the Premier is going to do. $3 billion to ensure that everyone in Ontario has a family doctor. That is my pledge.
That is time.